Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I am taking part in a breast cancer awareness tag for Mrs. Cronalls. Sorry if I pronounced her name wrong. She was diagnosed in December of 2017 with breast cancer, right before Christmas. I learned about this from Moon Baby Nails, so please check out her channel and her video. She's doing 5 seasons of pink. One of them being a festive polish. And what I'm going to do is I have picked out, I think it's 12 colors. One is a backup because one I'm not sure about. And I did pick a festive color. I have swatched them all on a wheel here except the one that's the backup. Catherine is doing winter, spring, summer, fall, autumn, and then the festive. I'm going to do, one color of pink per month, one mani a month. And I'm going to start with February. I'm not going to back up to January. I'll start with, the current month we're in of 2019. And first on my list is Lady V Lacquer Executive Suite. And that is, let me do this color right here. Really, really pretty. My next is a Sinful color, and there will be a lot of Sinful in my manis. That is this color right here. It is Pink Forever 313. Really like that too. My next is another Lady V Lacquer polish called Rum Punch. It is pink, I assure you. It's what is on my nails here. That and the Executive Suite. It is a darker pink. Whoops, let me get in frame better. Sorry about that. It is pink, I assure you. My next is a Sally Girl polish from Sally's Beauty Supply. There is no other name on here. At least not that my eyes can see. But that is this color right here. That just come out as a neon, so we will be wearing this probably around, February, probably in May. My next is right here, China Glaze, Purple Panic. My next color is Sinful's Birds of Paradise. This should be right here. My next color, and this is the one I'm questionable on, is my Orly. It is thick and it's got this really super, super wide brush. Love the color though. It's called Put the Top Down. You can see that. It's a really beautiful color. Love that shade of pink, but I don't know, I might have to get some thinner before that one comes along. My next color is Broadway. And where is it? It is called Treasure Island. I don't know if you can see. See if I can move the light here. But that is this color right here. It is another darker pink. My next is a Sinful. It is a Sugar Crushing. It's a limited edition. It is pink with a purple shimmer. It is textured, so you might need two top coats on that one. My next color is another Sinful. This is called Boom Boom. Love this color. This is a great, great, great summer color. My next is this color. I love this color here. I've worn that probably in the last 2 months. It is Rose Dust by Sinful. Really, really pretty. My festive color that I chose is my Fangirl polish. It is called 11. It's a jelly. 11, this is my first jelly. Pretty color. Really, really pretty color. Those are my 12 colors that I will do one mani a month. You can jump on this bandwagon. All you have to do is you can pick, the 5 colors with the festive. You can do 12 colors with one mani a month, whatever is your take with breast cancer awareness. Please use the hashtag breast cancer awareness tag. Make sure tag is in it. I am going to do my best in the description box to leave the link to Catherine's, Mrs Cronalls, to her video, so you can show your support, leave some encouraging, supportive words for her. I would appreciate that. And this is the end of my video. Those are my 12, 13-ish colors with my one backup. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I hope she does, Catherine, watch my video. I hope she does get word of this. I'm not on her radar right now. But in June every year, I do Walk Relay for Life. It is a cancer awareness. And this year, honey, I will walk for you. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you.